Huh. It's the Merry Christmas time to show 4533. I dropped something much. Okay, now let's take this is Saturday and I switch it to completed my Saturday first. I have no rush to check everything. It's five. Now this is start October. Now Monday is start and now let's take some look. First market analytics. Hmm. And this one is kind of good info. And I think this is not working good. Where the hell is this? Wow, this would must have. I saw this type of market. It's gone up. No, first need to create some. It did not. Yeah, break it. Okay. What is the second lesson? I can sell it, but where? Oh, this is a good question. Can I sell there? Wait a second. I'm selling this point. 17626. 166 and 733. That is the sell point, is the market. There is no rush. And what is your purpose to share? Okay, I tell you. I tell you. It's around taking the bullshit. It's according to my plan. This kinds of pattern, look, they slowing down, or we can't take trade too much. We take small trade. There is a chance the market come up there. Yeah, your word is right, but we need to take some proud. Yeah, of course. What the fuck? This showing chaos? No. Is it okay? Easy, easy. Good. I have a more opportunity to do this. Can I trail the stop loss? No. Hmm. In my previous days, I take many stop loss without thinking too much. Look, what is look? You look, stop loss is gone again. They fall. This is good, but They can't fold too much. What the heck is it? There's some error. I think, yeah. Again goes. Okay, now we take one again. One trip. Would you save the close of position to restore? What the heck is this? Hey, what the heck? There is no some. There, I cut this. Okay, I started. What is the reason you can sell there? Is it simple? You said that. Is it simple? Yeah. I am selling is not my product. Good shot. He's showing again down. What is the timing right now? 17. Okay, I will be go to sell. Wait a minute. What is stop loss? Similar 179. I have no idea what's going on, but we have to sell thing. Can I take trade overall 2.4? No, right now, no. This is a feeling based trade strategy. This one good, this one good. Let's check the latest. No, pledge, pledge. And it did not fall. Don't rush your trades. I think this is the one option is wrong, but I did not take any chances about it. This this is the real chaos. But he's showing very good pattern. I can sell there. But this is the John. That's the issue. I will not continue selling this price. Okay, I'm just wait. Wow. You know, this goes too far. Just cut off these. This is a small give. This is the small part. So, are you happy right now? Yeah. But now, somebody says that you are a little accuser. Yeah, of course. This is working good. According to my theory, there's any theory of this your mind. Yeah, of course. I watched something, then I decided, okay, what should I do? It's going well. Just do. Coming back to the market. Hey, wait a second. Why I don't know. Why I think I delete this line. Hmm. Can you sell and buy? Wait. Sell. Really? Think again. Let's what happened here? Now I gonna buy. I did not watch this thing. He already grabbed something crap. Grab something crap. Oh, hmm. This is a bit closer. Every time you take the trade accordingly, this going to not a good. He's so down. Then he did. Then he was to because he did not break this level. When he's cut the level, I be ready to buy. Hmm. That's fine. Can I buy it? Yeah, of course. Wait. Stupid is deal 1648. 1648, only 8 point. And buy. My stop loss is simple 1648. Target is 162 with 0 ratio. 1 ratio. It's almost same. What the hell is this? I already take a mistake on 98, but in the London session, this is not a forehead. Let's go. This is my third touch, but you can't break this level. You write not down this in your next time in future. This is good. Mm. According to you, what is the matter of this time? Are you kidding right now? Mm. Can I take that trade? I think in the same time, at least one candle. At least one candle, you said that. Yeah, of course, at least one candle. One candle is too far for me. Hmm. What should you do? I'm doing nothing right now, but we have an option. Somebody said that you take only one trade, two trade. You saw, according to my thought, already remember this. When market did not break the level, you can't buy and sell. You can't. One thing matters. You don't have idea, but I think my strategy is working on sideways market. But when market is one move, I will definitely go down. I show you. Look, this market is sideways. I earn some money. This market fall, I trap it. The market goes, I lose. This time I earn some money. That's the reason. My strategy is working on sideways market. What the fuck? What the fuck? This is a curiosity. Okay, I understand it. Next time I will come. Definitely I choose something.